Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into the driving license portal, enter your credentials, and go directly to the Profile or Document section. Once done, locate your license record and note the license number and upload timestamps so you can reference them. Make sure you have a government ID and any account verification codes ready, because the site will ask to confirm ownership. This prevents delays and proves you are authorized to request removal. Don't proceed without these documents in hand. You now initiate the removal flow by selecting the license and choosing the Remove or Unlink option. Follow the prompts for reason and attach any required supporting ID. After you submit, the system often asks for a second confirmation or two-factor authentication. Provide it promptly so the request progresses. Keep a screenshot of each screen and the final confirmation number. These records are crucial if the portal does not complete the action, or if a follow-up is needed by support or the issuing agency. You finish by verifying that the license no longer appears in your account and that you received an email confirmation. Check the dashboard or document history to be sure. If the item still shows or you get an error, contact support immediately and provide the confirmation ID and your screenshots, because support needs those to investigate. Make sure to note expected processing times and, if necessary, escalate to the issuing authority after that window. This avoids repeated requests and secures a definitive resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.